Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a Python object representation from XML data. XML, extensible markup language, is a widely used format for storing and exchanging structured data. Converting XML data into Python objects allows you to work with the data more conveniently in your Python programs. We'll use the xml.etree.elementtree module, which is a built-in Python library for parsing XML data. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial is based on Python 3.x, so it's recommended to use a compatible version. XML is a markup language that uses tags to define elements and their structure. Each XML document has a root element, and elements can contain nested elements or attributes. Here's a simple example of an XML document. In this XML, we have a person element with 3 child elements, name, age, and city. Each child element contains text data. Python provides the xml.etree.elementtree module for parsing and manipulating XML data. To use this module, you first need to import it. Here's how you can parse an XML string and create a Python object representation. In this example, we first define the XML data as a string. Then, we use et.fromString, xml_data, to parse it and create an element tree object, with the root element as its root. We can use the find method to access child elements and retrieve their text content. Once you have accessed the XML elements and their data, you can create a Python object representation, such as a dictionary, list, or custom class, depending on your needs. In our example, we created a dictionary to represent the person data. You can also parse XML data from files using et.parse, instead of et.fromString. Here's an example of how to do that. In this case, the XML data is read from the person.xml file using et.parse. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a Python object representation from XML data using the xml.etree.elementtree module. This is a fundamental skill when working with XML data in Python, and it allows you to easily manipulate and use the data within your Python programs. You can further extend this knowledge to handle more complex XML structures and integrate XML data into your applications. ChatGPT